Hi, good morning. It's Michael Gaffney. Today I'm going to make a bouquet for my special friends out there. You know who you are. Look at these gorgeous peonies from the San Diego Flower Market today. So I'm going to weave together, just for you, all my friends, a cluster and zone design. Another peony. That's where I'm at so far. I'm going to add some spray roses. These are all flowers left over from my class today. But as you notice, I'm grouping them together. I'll put another cluster of white spray roses on this side, so you can make more than one cluster. I'll put a cluster of pink mini gerbs on this side. And maybe a solo cluster of pink mini gerbs on that side. And if you're having a bad day today, I just want you to know, to all my friends, I made this bouquet for you. Flowerschool101.com. Have a good day.